Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Farjana. Welcome to my another Elementor design related tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create this kind of advanced tab instead of creating some default text and image. So here I have taken some text and then here is a counter widgets for skills. And also when I hover over the second one, here is showing another new tab. And for the third one, here I have created a structure for price table, and then finally here is some contact information with different kind of icons. In the similar way, we can create any custom layout inside our tabs module. For this tutorial I'm going to use Elementor and JetTabs plugin. JetTabs plugin is a plugin of CrocoBlocks. Before moving forward, let's see what's the CrocoBlocks and what's the JetTabs plugin. CrocoBlock is an advanced set of plugins which works for Elementor and also Gutenberg. If I check the product list from their website, so they have divided their large plugin into some small and different plugins. So we can purchase any specific small item or any specific small plugins for a specific features. Like if we only need the booking system, then in that case we can purchase the Jet booking and we need not to add the Jet blocks or Jet tabs that case. So our website will not be overloaded. And also if I check their complete pricing, so here they have a complete package including all plugins together. So here is their pricing. For one website 130 per year, and for unlimited website 265, and they have also their unlimited packages for lifetime. So if you have only one website and if you need some specific packages, you can only purchase some specific Jet plugins from here, or if you work for different clients for a long time, so that case you can purchase their unlimited website plan, or even you can purchase their lifetime plan. So that will be a great investment that case. For example, if you purchase their lifetime package and if you work for at least 20 clients, that case this price will not be so much for you. Alright, so for today's video I'm going to use their JetTabs plugin. So now let's go ahead and without any further ado, let's get started. I have already installed the Elementor and JetTabs plugin in this website. I will leave all this plugin link in my description so you can check it from there. And after activating this plugin, from here when I search for tab, this is the advanced tab which is coming from JetTabs plugin. Here now I'm taking a new section and one column structure, and now again taking these tabs. This is the default tab of Elementor and this one is coming from JetTabs plugin. So if I check the default one which is coming from Elementor, for example this one, and here if I go to tab 1, here we can only take all this default text. This is kind of text editor, so here we can take only different kind of text, and also we can add images from media. And now when I go for another tabs, and now when I go for tab 1, so we will find some more advanced option for this tab. For example, here we can use any image instead of this text and icon, and also the most important part is template. So instead of taking normal text editor, we can take any custom layout inside our tab module. For example, I have already created some templates to my website. Now if I select any template from here, for example I am taking a template T2, and now you can see it's a complete different layout. In the similar way I'm taking some another layout for tab 2, and when I go to tab 2, so this is another template, and here I have designed another default tab. So this is so simple but very useful feature. We can create any kind of custom layout, custom design using this simple feature. And also for the tab 3 I'm taking another one. So here I'm showing a default pricing table, and now if I want to customize our design, just click on this edit template, and from here we can customize our text. For example, here if I change our text or any style, then update this one, and now if I cross it, and now if I go to tab 3, we can see our text is updated. That's cool. And finally save our page. And now I'm going to remove the first tab which is coming from Elementor. And now for this tab, if I go to the settings option, here we'll find some more advanced option like tabs position. By default this will show in top. We can make it to the left side, or we can make it to the right or bottom. And also here is the show effect. By default it's coming with this effect, move up. We can change this effect to anyone from here. And also the tabs event, by default when we click on another tab our content is changing. And also we can change this event from click to hover. And now when we hover over any another item, we can see our content is changing with hover. And also here is another options, auto switch. So when I make it on, so now it will change automatically. So now it's working like a automated slider. For now I'm making it off. And now going to styling our tabs and content area, going to style tab. And first I'm changing the tabs area, so going to tabs control. And here we'll find some more options for padding, margin, and also we can set the background color for the tabs area. For example, if I go here and change the color to orange, so this color will work for the whole area. For now I'm just making it off. I'm going to tabs control items, so it will work for individual tabs. And now from here text color, I'm changing the color to white, and also the icon color to white. And on active state, making the text color to this orange color, and also the icon color to this same color. And now changing the background color for tab item, so going to background type and color, I'm making it to this purple dark color. And now we can add some spacing between each item. So if I scroll down, here is options for margin, making it unlink. And now for bottom, can add 10 pixel, or I'm making it to 5. And now I'm going to add some border radius with these tabs, making it to 10 or 5. Alright, looks good, and we can keep it in this way. And finally the tabs content, so from here we can customize our tabs content style. For now I'm using custom template, so to change the template layout we need to do it from edit template area. And now we can customize our layout from here. And now in the similar way, if I want to add a new tab and a new layout, so for that I'm going again here and going to content, and in the similar way going to add item. And here I'm changing this text, instead of new tab I'm typing contact info. And here for template I'm going to create a new template for this one. For now I'm saving this page. And now going to dashboard, going to dashboard again, and here we will find options template. This is coming from Elementor. Now going to add new. From here select the template type to section, and template name I'm typing tab or T4, then create template. And now from here we can create any layout from scratch, or for now I'm going to insert a pre-made layout. Going to CrocoBlocks layout, going to section, and from here for example this layout. Now I'm going to insert this one, and here we can also customize this layout with our own content. For example, for the first one, if I want to change the icon, I'm changing it to phone. And also we can change all this text. For the address I'm changing the icon, and also for the email. Now saving this page, and now going to our main page and refresh. Now again going to our tabs area, and for the last one I'm changing the template. Choose template, selecting T4, now when I go to the contact info, we can see this new section is showing. And from here, if we want to also customize it more, we can do it from here. Click on the edit template, and then we can customize our layout from here. Then cross it, and finally saving our page. Going to preview changes. Alright, that's all for today. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And finally, if you like to work with me for any WordPress project, you can contact me through my website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.